damage, even in the metro where we got spared the worst of it. Still 50 to 55 mile per hour wind gusts at time last night. So we're going to find some evidence, of trees and power lines down too as we make our way out here this Saturday morning.
Now the majority of the weather has moved out. Talk to us about where we're at with that flash flood warning that we were seeing earlier this morning.
So that has been allowed to expire. There's no more information crawling at the top of your screen. So that's very, very good news. We do have a band of showers moving on through, and that's going to provide us with some pretty briefly heavy rain. But it's also going to pick up the winds again. And now, while those winds are going to be below severe limits, 30 to 40 miles per hour, definitely a possibility. They'll kind of blow that rain sideways. That was the case right outside our studio doors just a few minutes ago. Now this is marching on off towards the east. So from Prospect down towards really Ali International, Fairdale, and Valley Station. That's where some of the heaviest of the rain is, and it's moving on through. This is the leading edge of the actual cold front. We're in the 60s in the metro. We're in the 40s in French Lick and Paoli. So there's going to be a quick drop in temperatures as this front swings on through, the rain ends, and those breezes start to drag in the colder air. Now, this is not going to be an Arctic chill. In fact, we're just getting back closer to normal, with afternoon temperatures in the 40s and lows tonight that are going to be falling back into the 30s. That's where we should be for the time of year. But you can see the falling numbers, still 65 in the metro, 43 in Evansville, 38 in St. Louis. It was just about 3-4 hours ago that St. Louis was also in the middle 60s. So it's a big drop across this frontal system, and you can easily see where it is now starting to push in to the metro. So we'll steady out around 45 degrees a bit later in the afternoon. It's going to be breezy, though. Winds gusting over 30, maybe even 40 miles per hour at times during the afternoon as the colder air blows in. So those 40s will feel like 30s. We'll start fading back to lows tonight that are going to dip closer to the freezing mark in your forecast. 33 in town, but what's typical is the metro suburbs and outside of Louisville will be a little chillier, even a few 20s by tomorrow morning. 51 in sunshine. It's going to be a calmer, better day tomorrow. On your Monday, we're back to 57. We do bring back the warmth that we had earlier today and yesterday, but what we will not bring back is the severe weather, even as we add in some shower chances late Thursday into Friday. While it will impact your weather day and have you grabbing some umbrellas, it will not be bringing us anything in terms of severe weather. So that's definitely some good news. Want you to notice, though, look at that camera from our KFC Young Center.
It's shaking.
Yeah, it is. And the breezes are starting to pick up across the area. Just taking a kind of a quick look at some of the observations in Louisville. Looks like some of those wind gusts are in the 25 to 30 mile per hour zone right now. So we'll continue to keep eyes on that. But again, it's nothing that is bringing any severe weather across the area. Southwest breezes at 18, gusting to 26 was the last report.
And we see that sunshine, and we're going to be talking about that. We were briefly expecting to see some of that sunshine before that cloud cover moves back through. But when you see sunshine, when it's windy, sometimes that exacerbates the wind and actually strengthens the wind a little bit. So that's why we're going to be kind of giving you the heads up. Winds gusting 35 to 40 miles per hour for today. So certainly something to keep in mind.